Hello, all you Google Ads users out there. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to capture more impression share without raising your cost per acquisition, also known as cost per conversion. This is really common, especially when, we're hitting our cost per acquisition. We know that the business is profitable, and yet we're not able to scale the budget. For whatever reason, maybe we've run out of impression share with the existing keywords that we have. We've already maxed it out. Maybe the business has some cash flow or fulfillment restrictions that they need to work through, and they need to grow much more slowly. So oftentimes I'm using these columns here. We've got search lost impression share due to budget and search lost impression share due to rank. And I use these columns quite a bit, especially with lead generation accounts versus e-commerce, because this is showing me the search network only. And with lead gen, we do a lot of search campaigns. As you can see, we have about 6 in this one account alone. So there is a little bit of room to grow here in the budget. But there's plenty of room to grow here with the lost impression share due to rank as well. Client is not ready to increase the budget, so I am working on nominally increasing or optimizing the ads over time, slowly but surely growing their business without having to do major budget bumps. Over here, you can see our cost per conversion. It's $164 for this particular client. That's a good number. We don't want to increase that. So what can we do? Search impression share lost due to rank. Now, rank is where your ad position is and whether it's able to show at all. So sometimes you might show up top of the page. Sometimes you might show up below the search results. And other times you can actually show up on like page 2, which nobody ever gets to. Best place to hide a dead body, right? So the better your rank is, the more eyes are going to be on your ad, obviously. And what goes into this? What goes into your rank? So there's a lot. It's calculated using your bid, your ad, and your website quality, your context of the search, which you have no control over, ad rank threshold, and the expected impact of the extensions and other formats. So it's way too much to tackle, and sometimes rank can send you into a rabbit hole of trying to optimize all the text around your website and trying to get it to match up with your ads and it to match up with the keywords, which is probably a good exercise to go through. But in this case, I'm here to talk to you about what's a big impact activity you can do to try to capture more, to try to get this number to go down. Average of 54% lost due to rank is quite high. So I want to try to lower this. However, in all these campaigns, we're using target CPA goals, and the target CPA goals are all set to somewhere around $150, and we're getting 164 here. And so that's pretty golden. I don't want to increase that. The main thing that's restricting this impression share due to rank is going to be that target CPA goal. If we told the algorithm, hey, do whatever you want, here's money, go out and show the ad to people, the algorithm is going to bid however it wants to try to get a high rank and show your ads. And so it won't be restricted by rank as much here. So that's a little bit limiting. I don't want to edit the target CPA goal. What can I do? The answer is to try to lower your existing target CPA from 164. We want to try to lower this a little bit so that we have some room for the algorithm to go out and, it's going to be easily hitting its goal with the current setup once we optimize things. And so then they'll have extra room to go out and show to more people after that with the existing budget, with the remaining budget. The way to do this is to hop into the keywords, find the keywords that are not working as well as others, and just pause them. I know sometimes it can feel a little bit painful to do this, but if you can get your target CPA, if you can stop the algorithm from spending money on those keywords that are more expensive than others, your target CPA goal, not your target CPA, but your cost per conversion is going to lower, which means it's the campaign's target CPA goal setting has plenty of wiggle room because it's going to be hitting the setting more easily. Now it's going to go out, find more people to show the ad to. So here's what you're going to do. Go into search keywords, get a date range that's ideally like the past 3 months or the last time you made any major changes. You want to get enough data, but you also don't want to go too far into the past. So 3 months is like a good average. So let's do 1, 2, we'll go back to March 1st. Oh, that didn't work. Let's try this. March 1st to today. There we go. We're going to sort, probably just sort by cost per conversion here. And of course, if you're about to turn off a keyword that has a high cost per conversion, you just want to make sure that it's been tested, that it got enough cost and clicks to have a pattern going. So this keyword, for example, only got 1 click. I probably won't buy, oh, there's no conversions on it, that's why. Yeah, it's kind of up to you if you want to turn off keywords that haven't been tested yet. If they have 1 click and no conversions, I would leave it going. If it has 19 clicks and it's spent $82 and it still doesn't have a conversion, probably time to turn this keyword off and try to optimize things that way. So I'm going to work on turning off keywords on this account, and you do the same for yours, and we will be golden. All right, thanks for watching.